Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. So affordable drugstore makeup. So if that's interest you, please consider subscribing. Now without further blabbering, let's get into the video. Okay, so I already did one haul with purple, and I have created this full face first impression with purple makeup, and I am so impressed with the quality. But this time I thought of getting some skincare stuff, and there was so many discount, so I grabbed them. So I'm going to show you what all are the skincare stuff, and here there is makeup also. I wanted to try their lipstick and I'm not regretting it. So this is the lipstick Peppy Pearson. See, and this is the lipstick I have, and this is by NYB, of course. See, it's a perfect nude lipstick. So if you want a really nude lip, pinky brownie nude lip, this is really good. And this is just 90 rupees, 97 rupees, I don't remember. Yeah, 90 rupees when I bought this on discount. Buy 3 get 1, something was that. And the quality of this lipstick is not like a 90 rupees lipstick. It's like, it smells good and the pigmentation is nice. You have to drag 2-3 times, but it is not that hard where you cannot do that. And if you are into blotted lips, you can just apply it once and that's it. And yeah, this lip shade is so good. I have another one which I will be unboxing right now. Okay, now these two are necessity of this winters. So I got this, so there was offer on Good Vibes, buy one get one. So I was like, let's just grab these are hand creams, and these are, I think, yeah, paraben free, mineral oil free. I don't care about such stuff. So if you care about those things, I think Good Vibe will be really good for you. And 50 grams, which is nice. And yeah, this is like my palm size, little bit smaller. So yeah, buy one get one. So this is like 199. So each one was like 97 rupees, I think. Yeah, so I think it's a great deal. And this smells divine, you guys. This smells heaven. This smells so it's like coffee. It just smells like coffee, and it's like the fragrance is so good. And this one is shea butter, which is still now sealed. You can see I will once I will finish this, I will use this. And I don't know, there is no point of opening everything. So yeah, but I think it's a great deal compared to other hand creams in market. I think this is good because it's affordable. Yeah, and it smells so good, and the smell will stay. So if you like coffee fragrance or any of this fragrance, only grab these because the smell will stay. Okay, so that's that. Okay, now next are these two boxes. So I'm going to unbox this right now. Okay, so yeah, this is the Biotic moisturizer. Okay, now Biotic moisturizer comes in a long bottle, not a tub, but this one was like tub. So I thought maybe this is different. Yeah, so yeah, this says moisturizing cream. Okay, moisturizing cream. Let's just unbox this one. I want to see, like, is this the same thing with another packaging, or it is legit different thing? So yeah, this is sealed, and no, it is like, see, it's not runny, it's whipped consistency. Okay, smells typical Biotic product, of course, but like really thick. Wow. Okay, I think this will be really my best friend in winters. Now I have so many moisturizer. I will do a definitely review as a dry skin person. See, it's really beautiful. Wow, so this is the cream. That one is like lotion consistency, and this one is thick whipped cream. So yeah, really interested to try this one out, and I will tell you the difference between the bottle one and this one, of course. And now let's just unbox this. Okay, so this is their Lipaholic Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. Seriously, that's the name of this lipstick. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. Why keeping such long names? I don't know why companies do that. And the cardboard box is so pretty. It's like silver, sealed, of course. It's sealed. See? Wow. 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 It's like glass. Wow. This packaging is so pretty. This is the shade 001. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, this shade is divine. Oh my god. And the bullet, this does not looks like a 140 rupees. Are you kidding me? And I want to try this. Wow. So this is the shade. Wow. I think Rule of Life. This will be my favorite lipstick from now. See, it's so pretty. It's the prettiest pink lipstick ever. Clearly, it's so pretty. This shade is divine. And look at the pigment. It's like really pigmented. So this, wow, this is so pretty. I think I don't have a pink like this. This is the prettiest pink nude ever. Really, it's so pretty. And this 140 rupees, and it's not drying. It's not drying at all. I'm like shook. When I saw the bottle, I was like, so pretty. You need to try this. If anything you want to grab this lipstick. This is so pretty, you guys. And yeah, it's like little bit mauve in it, but it is pink lipstick. It's a pinky mauve nude. It's a beautiful shade. The shade is killer. It's like so pretty. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next one.